mapunta naman tayo sa iyong family. Because I heard you grew up nga with 3 moms. Your biological mom, your real mom, and yung dalawang lola mo na you could also consider as your mom.
Yes.
Anong feeling na ang dami mong nanay?
Sobrang feeling ko loved ako.
Meron ka bang favorite?
Ay, wala.
Hindi nga
Pantay-pantay
siya
lang.
Hindi nga siya mga pamilya, di ba? Sa lola pa lang kanina.
So how was your childhood? Best memory?
Siguro best memory ko during childhood was mostly kami nung big brother ko. Tatambay kami niyan sa computer shop.
Ayan.
Gamer pala to eh.
Kalahati, physical. Tapos yung kalahati, computer games.
Physical? What do you mean? Physical?
Wrestling, gano'n. Wrestling, basketball.
Sikalan.